If a fire destroyed everything inside your home tonight, could you replace all of it? Your furniture, electronics, clothes, kitchen appliances, everything? That's exactly what Coverage C is designed to help with. Hey everyone, Lisa here at Trailstone Insurance Group. Welcome back to our Homeowner Insurance Basics Series. Today we're talking about Coverage C, also known as personal property coverage. Coverage C protects the stuff inside your home: furniture, electronics, clothing, appliances, kitchenware, and more. Basically, if you picked your house up, flipped it upside down, everything that would fall out is typically considered personal property. Your Coverage C limit is usually set as a percentage of your Coverage A. Most policies default to somewhere between 50 and 70%. So if your dwelling is insured for $400,000, your personal property coverage might be $200,000 to $280,000. Here's something most people do not realize. Coverage C can also protect your belongings when they're away from home, like when they go on vacation without you. If your luggage is stolen while traveling, for example, your homeowner policy may cover that. But there are limits. Most policies have sublimits on certain categories of high-value items. Jewelry, for instance, is often capped at $1,500 to $2,500 per item for theft. If you own a valuable engagement ring, a watch collection, or expensive art, you'll want to ask about a scheduled personal property endorsement, sometimes called a floater. That covers the full appraised value of the item, often with no deductible. One more thing, know the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value. Replacement cost pays to replace your items at today's prices. Actual cash value deducts depreciation, which means you get less. Always check which one your policy provides. If you're not sure your personal property limits are where they should be, we'd be happy to walk you through it. Visit trailstoneinsurance.com or give us a call. Next up in this series is what is loss of use coverage? We'll see you next time.